Creating a sprint in the Jira website is very easy to do. Today, I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, open Jira software in Google Chrome. It will open with many pages like your work, projects, filters, dashboard, teams, apps, and create, among many other things, as you can see. Click on Projects, and a drop-down menu will open. It has all the project names and the Create New Project option. Click on it. A page will appear with many templates to select from for your project. Click on the Scrum template. Go ahead and use the template. The next page will ask about your project type. There are two types. One is team managed, and the second is company managed. Click on team managed and move forward. A new page will appear, and here we have to complete our project details. Enter the name of the project, as I entered here. The key will be automatically selected. At this page, you have a chance to change the project type and template. You have successfully created a Jira project. Now, click on Open Project on the right side. Our project will open with a board. Our project has many pages, as you can see. Click on the project page in the header to see our project in the list. Now, move down. There are 3 boxes with headings to do, in progress, and done. See the first one and click on Get Started with Backlog. This is our main project. Here is the sprint that we have to create. Let's do our work. Here is the sprint option, but now it is not in a condition to be created. First, we have to add issues. Click on Add Issues as a story, task, and bug. Here you can see I have entered Give Access to Contact as a story. Then select Task and enter the task. After this, click on the Epic option located at the top of the sprint. Create the epic here. I entered Home functionality in Contact Epic. Now, drag the story and tasks here according to the problem. All the issues are divided here into types of epics. Close the epic. Now, you will be able to create the sprint. Click on Start Sprint. A page will open to complete information about the sprint to start it. All the sprint page fields will automatically fill. Its name is according to our project key. You can change further information like duration, start date, and end date. At the end, you must tell about the sprint goal. Click the Start button at the bottom. Now we have successfully created our first sprint. Here you can see that all the issues are arranged according to the epic. Now, the programmer will work here and resolve all the issues. In this way, we can create a sprint in Jira easily.